The camera app can disappear from your device for several reasons, including hidden apps, disabled or restricted applications, an unfamiliar home screen layout, or outdated software. To resolve these issues, you can try unhiding the app by going to your phone's settings, selecting the home screen option, choosing hidden apps, and unchecking the camera app from the list, which will enable the camera application. Alternatively, you can go to Settings, choose Screen Time, select Content and Privacy Restrictions, proceed to Allowed Apps, and toggle the camera button to activate the app. If the issue persists, resetting the home screen layout can be a common remedy. To do this, open the Settings app, find the General Settings, select Transfer or Reset your device, choose Reset, and then tap Reset Home Screen Layout. This step should resurface your camera app. Another solution is to update your device's software by tapping the settings icon from your home screen, scrolling down to find the System option, selecting System Update, and installing the most recent software if an update is available. After the update is complete and your device has restarted, check if the camera app is available. These are the possible ways to fix the camera app disappearing problem.